Welcome! Today I will show you how you can get free skin in Stumble Guys game. So at the first you have to tap on the customize icon on the left edge. Next, take a look here on the free skin. As you can see, we have to watch 5 ads to get free skin. I just watched 2, so let's go for the free. And after that we'll get 5 ads, so we'll be able to get the free skin. So let's tap here. I'm going to mute the sound. Let's close, try to open it again. As you can see, the video is not available, so what you have to do, simply go back, wait a few moments, enter another time, and right now we can watch ad. Okay, after 30 seconds we can close this ad, and we have the last one, so let's try to click. Okay, we have to go back another time, click, and right now we got the ad. Closed right now, and as you can see right now we can climb the free skin, so tap, and as you can see here we got the soldier skin. So right now we are able to find it here, and then when you want to use it, just click here. And as you can see, we can get another skin, but we have to come back tomorrow. So simply just wait for another day and watch these ads another time, 5 times. And as you can see, that's all. And if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.